Hi, my name's Hannah Nunn. I'm a nutritional therapist specialising in AMD. I'm based in the UK, but I work with clients worldwide, helping them take control of their AMD by improving their overall health. Today we're going to be talking about some of the reasons why gut health is important if you have AMD and what you can do to support it. So you may or may not already be aware that in our digestive system, we have a host of microorganisms that live there. And these are known as the microbiome, and they're made up of bacteria and other microorganisms. And they have a huge impact on our overall health and well-being, as well as on our digestive health. So the microbiome has many important functions. And I'm sure we only know a part of it. We're still finding out a lot about the microbiome through research. But some of these functions include breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, producing something called short-chain fatty acids, which are important to the health of our gut and also in metabolism. The microbiome supports our immune system and actually contributes to the development of the immune system. The good bacteria in the gut prevent overgrowth of the pathogenic or disease-causing bacteria. They influence mood and cognitive function and mental health. They actually produce nutrients such as vitamin K and vitamin B12. They assist in detoxification, so getting rid of things that the body doesn't want or need anymore and could potentially be harmful. They play a role in energy metabolism and in weight loss and weight gain. So sometimes we can have too few of the good bacteria and an overgrowth of the bad bacteria or pathogenic disease-causing bacteria. And this imbalance in the gut is known as dysbiosis. And dysbiosis can not only lead to digestive issues, but also can affect our overall health and has been linked to many diseases such as inflammatory bowel disease, bowel cancer, allergies, autoimmunity, food intolerances, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, mood disorders, and it is also linked to obesity. And what causes dysbiosis? Well, first and foremost is a poor diet, so processed food, high sugar, low fibre, low fruit and veg diet. Then certain medications, so the obvious one being antibiotics, as they kill good bacteria as well as bad and really upset the balance of your gut. But also other medications can contribute. Proton pump inhibitors that reduce stomach acid and antacids. Also chronic stress, as that also reduces digestive secretions, and digestive secretions are important for maintaining the balance of your good and bad bacteria. Also gut infections can contribute, and if we go right back to the beginning, C-section births and bottle feeding. So now I'm going to go into a little bit more detail about how it can potentially cause health issues, and in particular looking at age-related macular degeneration. So dysbiosis, this imbalance that we're talking about, causes the walls of our gut to become leaky or more permeable. This means that they let substances through into the bloodstream that wouldn't normally get through. And when our immune system, our immune cells meet these substances, it causes an immune reaction. So our immune system ends up on high alert all the time, and this in turn produces a low-grade chronic inflammation. So some of these harmful substances are produced by the bad bacteria themselves, and they're called lipopolysaccharides. And this situation, where these are passing into the bloodstream and causing inflammation, is called metabolic endotoxemia. In addition, fewer numbers of the good bacteria means that we're producing less of the beneficial anti-inflammatory short-chain fatty acids that we mentioned earlier. Mitochondrial dysfunction is another process that we see underlying age-related macular degeneration and other chronic degenerative diseases. Let me just explain what that is. Mitochondria are the batteries, the little powerhouses in our cells producing energy in order for our cells to be able to function properly and optimally. If the mitochondria are not working well, then our cells are literally running low on energy and will run slowly and less efficiently, and this leads to health problems. So we need our mitochondria to be healthy and functioning well for optimal health. Research in recent years has shown that the microbiome, these bacteria in our gut, actually communicate directly with mitochondria in the cells and can influence them for good or for bad, and vice versa too. The mitochondria communicate directly with the bacteria in our gut. So this is another reason to maintain a healthy microbiome. To sum up, we need a healthy microbiome to support eye health. Why? To keep inflammation levels low, to have a happy immune system, to have happy and healthy mitochondria, and to have optimal digestion and avoid nutrient deficiencies. So how do we do this? Eat a diet high in fibre, so fruit, vegetable, whole grains, as this feeds the good bacteria in your gut. Include fermented foods in your diet. So this is yogurt, kefir, kombucha, sauerkraut, kimchi. These are rich in good bacteria, known as probiotics. Include prebiotic foods in your diet. Again, these feed the good bacteria. Onions, garlic, asparagus, leeks, bananas. Include polyphenol-rich foods in your diet. Now, examples of these are green tea, berries, pomegranate and cacao, but also other fruits and veg, nuts and beans. So eat a huge variety of plant foods in a rainbow of colours to make sure you are getting enough of these vital nutrients in your diet. Avoid processed foods, added sugars and artificial sweeteners. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption. Avoid unnecessary use of antibiotics as they kill off good bacteria as well as the bad. Consider taking a probiotic supplement under professional guidance. Manage stress levels through yoga, meditation, breathing exercises, whatever way you find helps bring stress levels down. So in summary, nutrition is essential for supporting a healthy microbiome, and a healthy microbiome is really important for overall health and for optimal eye health. And you can support these good bacteria in your gut by eating a variety of fermented foods and whole plant foods in your diet. Thank you for listening. I hope you found it interesting. If you'd like to find out more, please do get in touch. The details of how to are in the description below. Bye-bye.